Naqvi, one of the coordinators of this program. Idea behind this Agritech and FoodX is a very unique idea. We used to have exhibitions of farmers where farmers will come and will try to sell things to the farmers. On the other end, we used to have exhibition for food where we'll try to promote only the food. But this exhibition we have joined the two, where the farmers can produce what the industry requires and industry can directly source from farmers. So in a way, this is truly a B2B connection between farmers and between the food processors, grain tech industry. Like what kind of atta he required, we need a special grain, but who is the farmer growing it? So that's the reason we thought that there must be an exhibition where farmers will directly interact with the industry so that world-class produce can be grown in India and exported for the world market to make India a truly food Vishwaguru. So this is an exhibition. In 16th years, the program started 16 years back in Bangalore and it has been increasing every year. This year we have different products from over 300 companies connected to food processing sector and about 250 companies products connected to agricultural technologies and modernization of agriculture, whether it's dairy, whether it's poultry, whether it's commercial floriculture or hydroponic, all kind of products are on display. So it's a place, if you want to start your agri-business startup, this is the place to be. Please come 1st to 3rd August at BIEC. We welcome all farmers and the entry is free for everybody.
What will be the output of this exhibition?
The exhibition has been growing everywhere, which speaks about its output in terms that there are many farmers who have been coming here who come with their dream and then start their project. Those small farmers who started with some like 1,000 square meter floriculture farm have now become 50-acre farms and they are growing. On the other hand, there are many people who started something small like samosa and they are doing a big business. So it's a kind of a concept where we teach the farmers and young entrepreneurs that agri-business is the future business and you can come all join us. So all kind of technology are available here.